Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google AI Studio account in 2026. If you want to explore Google's AI models, build AI applications, or experiment with prompts and APIs, this guide will walk you through the account setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the Google AI Studio website. Once the page loads, click the Sign In or Get Started button to begin. Next, sign in using your Google account. If you don't already have one, create a new Google account first, then return to Google AI Studio and log in. After signing in, review the terms of service and privacy information if prompted. Click Accept or Continue to complete the initial setup and access the dashboard. Now you'll be taken to the Google AI Studio workspace. Take a few moments to explore the interface, including the prompt editor, model selection options, and project tools available in your account. Next, if you're planning to use the API, open the API section and generate an API key if required. Keep your API key secure and never share it publicly. Before you start building projects, review your account settings and confirm your preferred language, workspace, and other available options. Finally, create a simple test prompt to make sure everything is working correctly. Once you receive a response, your Google AI Studio account is fully set up and ready to use, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Google AI Studio account step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.